Hey guys, sliding into another video with my man Chef Matt, globally known chef. How we gonna do this today, brother? Tell us what's on the menu.
We're gonna do a chicken breast fried rice. So we're gonna set it off with a little bit of oil, some egg whites.
Egg whites, very good source of protein for somebody that's trying to lean out or lose some weight.
We'll add some vegetables in there.
A little bit of veggies in there.
We're gonna add this chicken breast in there.
Chicken breast. I feel like this is just a heyday in health heaven.
All right, so we're good to go with that. We're gonna add about half of this rice in.
Keep in mind there is a recipe, right, where we can do this with cauliflower.
Yep.
Instead of the brown rice.
A little seasoning of your choice.
What's in that seasoning?
So this is kind of like some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, added some turmeric, and a little bit of cumin to it, and you know, just a little smorgasbord.
A little something.
A little bit off your menu. I mean, a little bit off from your recipe, but that's what people need to realize, that like, you're giving them a recipe, but you could always kind of cater it seasoning-wise to your palate, because we all have different palates,
right.
If you know what I mean? We're just gonna add a little bit of this amino to it.
Just chopping up a little bit of green onion. I'm gonna flip a little bit of this in this bowl right here. That's it, baby. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Healthy fried rice. Wow. I would have thought this was cooked by an Asian with a tall hat right here on the stove in front of me.
Not a black man with a baseball camera.
Chef Matt killed it once again, guys. I gotta give it up to my man.
Appreciate you.
Let's go, let's grow, and I'll see you guys in the next video.